So hi guys and welcome back to our channel. I hope you're doing fine and we are doing great.
Hi guys and good morning. So it's 6th of April and now we are getting ready to go for the breakfast at we have come here just for the food. I have not done any shopping, just got two stuffs, that too of around 250 rupees and 50 rupees, that's like 300 rupees only. We are spending only for eating. So now I'm just gonna get ready and we'll be going to have our breakfast.
So guys, this is what we ordered for the breakfast. This is ghee pore idli, and then guys we were off to the lunch place, the Kakatya mess, and it was so freaking crowded. And my husband, he was applying sunscreen. Yeah, so it was so crowded because it is famous for their lunch, the meals, the authentic Andhra meals. We waited for like 20 to 25 minutes, and then we got the veg meals plus their chicken curry. It was so delicious, like I can't even tell you guys like how it was. Actually, if you try you would know how it is. And then guys, lunch ke baad to ye, it is important, if you are Indian, if you eat this is the best thing for digestion. Then this is the Hussain Sagar Lake. So we were going to the B.R. Ambedkar statue है वहाँ पे, तो उसकी यहाँ पे हम जा रहे थे. So we reached there. I guess this is their assembly. Then we reached the statue area, and then we got some cotton candy, and here my husband, he was clicking pictures. And then guys, this area I really liked it. काफ़ी ज़्यादा greenery है. एंड इसके बाद गाइज आज के दिन जो है रामनवमी था, तो सारे लोग जो है झंडा लेकर जा रहे थे. एंड वी वर हैविंग आ कॉटन कैंडी. इट वाज ग्रेट बिकॉज वी वर हैविंग आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग टाइम. बचपन में हम खाया करते थे, सो आई एम नॉट लाइक अ पर्सन जिसे कॉटन कैंडी पसंद था, बट आई वॉज इन्जॉइंग बिकॉज काफ़ी समय के बाद कुछ चीज़ें अच्छी लग जाती है. देन गाइज अगेन वी वर ऑफ टू आ प्लेस बिकॉज खाने के बाद नींद तो आती ही है. आई नो कितने लोगों को आती, कितने लोगों को नहीं, बट अगर आपको आती तो बताना. देन गाइस शाम में हम निकले अगेन हुसैन सागर लेक के लिए, एंड वहाँ पे गार्डन है, मुझे नाम नहीं याद आ रहा, तो हम वहाँ के लिए निकले. एंड वहाँ पे लेज़र शोज एंड काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें होती है. सो हम बस देखने के लिए गए थे कि क्या होता है क्या नहीं.
Going back.
गाइस हम बाहर जा रहे हैं. वी आर टेकिंग द एग्जिट. हम बस लुम्बिनी पार्क में 5-10 मिनट्स के लिए आए थे. We wanted to do boat ride, but अंडमान में ज़्यादा अच्छा है, so why to do it here. हम बाहर जा रहे हैं, and then we gonna have a leave. Guys, we went to Cafe Nilofer, and हमने क्या क्या खाया वो आप मेरे शॉर्ट्स में देखोगे.
Last few hours.
जय श्री राम.
So guys, we have come back home and guys, it is and guys it is 8:30 now, and we have our flight at 12 or 10 or 15 to Chennai. So now we'll be having our food in some time, in 10 to 20 minutes, since we have come to Hyderabad. We have been eating, but still. So we'll be having our dinner, and then we'll be, and also guys we need to pack, and what else, today for dinner we gonna be having from Shag House the mutton biryani, then halim from Paradise, then biryani from Paradise, halim from Paradise, chicken and mutton halim I guess, and then chicken pilaf from Telangana Spice Kitchen. So we'll meet during the dinner time.
Guys, we have reached the airport and it's check-in time and we are late. It is at 12 and it is 10:55. Still need to check in. Guys, we are finally at the airport. Checking done.
out the boarding pass, and now we are about to go to our gate. It's in 119. We are on level 3, so we need to go to level 0. And our gate is there, and we are super duper late, but still we have time. It is 11:25, and still we want to use the room, but गेट नहीं देखा तो जाए कैसे. अंधेरा नींद है ना. Yes, finally got started, and the time क्या है? It's 11:45, and our flight's gonna take off at 12:20, है ना? It's about to be 2. It's 1:57. So guys, we have reached. Now we need to get a buggy to go to the car. On our way to get the cab. So guys, finally we are home. So good night, take care and bye bye. Bye बोल दीजिए. So guys, I hope आपको हमारा trip अच्छा लगा होगा and all of the videos we have put. So I hope you like our video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Our channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.